Hey, what's up, everybody? Dominoes 7 here. Okay. Alright, so anyway, I want to let y'all know. Well, before I let y'all know, do y'all notice a change behind me? Look behind me right here. The Super Nintendo poster right here. Okay. So I got a Super Nintendo poster behind me. Okay. So I'll explain that another day, another time. Okay. So and by the way, look at the poster behind me there too, from NES. All right, never mind that. Okay. So what I want to tell y'all, Saturday I'm going to the Gentilly Fest. Okay, in Pontchartrain Park. Okay. So I didn't go last year, but I'm going this year. Okay. So it was so wonderful that I'm going to be going there, filming and everything, taking pictures. Well, not taking pictures. I'll probably take pictures of somebody I know, but I'm not going to take pictures of anybody I don't know unless it's MechaCon or something else, you know. All right. So what I'm going to do today, some on my computer screen, but oh well, never mind that though. Okay, so when I'm telling y'all that I'm gonna be going to the Gentilly Fest and everything, and then y'all gonna see a crowd out there. I'm sure somebody else gonna film the performances at the Gentilly Fest, you know. So I'm pretty sure about that. A good chance of that, you know. Okay. So I do need to upload my videos of my episodes and stuff like that, you know. So whatever the heck I'm trying to say, I don't know what. Oh, I'm watching some on the TV, a Mario game, you know. All right, but start this tape. But I ain't going to bed yet. You know, knowledge should be coming in a few minutes. Okay? So, alright, so I guess I'll see y'all at the Gentilly Fest. Okay? Bye.